My name is Göran Johansson and I live in the southwest of Sweden, and I'm a nature photographer. And if you like what you have seen, you can subscribe here. Good morning, and for you that is new on this channel, welcome. I will now start my journey to Härjedalen. It's about 800 kilometers, and the clock is now 4 o'clock in the morning, and it's nearly it's a little bit light already. So I will start my journey now, and follow me on this trip. As you see, it was a very beautiful morning. There were no cloud on the sky, and I took the European way number 6. As you see to the right, the sun was rising, and I had the whole European way nearly for myself. As always, I stay here and take my breakfast at Tossebergaklätten, and it's a beautiful view over the lake Frykensjöarna and the Fryken lakes. I continue the journey, and here we are at Sälen, and here the Vasaloppet starts. I'm not happy about this. You can see the forest, they cut down every tree here. And I will show you, I will go up with my drone and show you how it looks. And here in the north, it's not so seldom that you have continuously forest anymore, because they have cut down everything, and it's not good for the birds or for the environment at all. I continue the journey, and you can see in the horizon, you can see Fulufjäll. I'm now at a place called Fulufjäll, and I will go out and photograph especially Siberian jay, and follow me. And if I get pictures, I will show you them now. Here at the Fulufjäll we have Sweden's highest waterfall. It's called Njupeskär. I have now been out and photographed, for example, Siberian jay and other birds, and I will go out more when the sun goes down, so I get perfect light, and I will take my 24 to 70 millimeters lens with me, and I think I will get good pictures up at the lake. So now we take a sandwich. I'm preparing the food for the Siberian jay tomorrow. I will cut it in small pieces. Good morning. Today is the day number 2, and I'm at Fulufjäll still. And I can hear the Siberian jay, and I will now go out and photograph them. And I will show you pictures. From this morning, it's 5 o'clock in the morning now, and I'm the only one here. Let's go.
You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name, but my eyes on the wall. You were running like a ghost from me. You were running from it all. You got me waiting, I'm on fire. You got me waiting, my desire. I follow your heartbeat, keep on moving to the drums now. To the drums now. I follow your heartbeat to the end of the ocean. I follow your heartbeat away.
Now I am on my way up to the waterfall, Njupeskär. And as you can see, it's very easy to walk here, but the last 200 meters is more difficult. The waterfall is total 93 meters and it's free falling from 70 meters. Now I'm going to Fulufjäll, so this is the end of part 1, and if you like what you have seen, please give me a thumb up or subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and please give me a thumb up, or even better, if you subscribe to my channel.